in terms of the establishment of health institutions. And so here again, government and the church have the same objective, and that is to provide quality health to our people. And so we cannot be adversaries, we cannot be rivals in terms of that.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the former president for the Republic of Ghana, and one Akufo-Addo one war man Ghana Asia. Na nsɛm na ɔno nso ɛka no na ani soso papa ɔkaaya kɔka sɛ electoral commission koraa employ MPP-foɔ bi sɛ wɔn nyɛ isi adwuma afei nso waka kyerɛ asɔfoɔ no sɛ asɔfoɔ no mmɔ mmɔden sɛ wɔn bɛtumi aboa sɛ de bɛyɛ ne 24-hour economy no ebɛtumi aba so na ogidi yie sɛ asɔre deɛ ɛyɛ religious base ɛna wɔn san wɔ wɔn faith. And it is only a bano a partner, and it may have industrialization. Ewo man Ghana mu etumi akonkan. And it obesa so for you say woman actually said the bear and this amanuko able to me adi to me 2024. Oye ya Duncan Williams, I can send papa and no Duncan Williams kasa papa. Then some more kind na enye asema abrawadwo o papa zimu I can send bibre and it yado be from bra. His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama na one asofo no edi nkomo omuwie ensama Bishop Duncan Williams nso wode atu dwa ane ensama ekoso bra na wo mohia no ne nyina yede ebemam
in terms of the establishment of health institutions. And so here again, government and the church have the same objective, and that is to provide quality health to our people. And so we cannot be adversaries, we cannot be rivals in terms of that. And so I remember when I was a president, I announced that where we have a properly functioning mission church, we will not go and put a rival public church in the community. The money we would use to set up another hospital, we will not put a rival hospital in the community. The money that we would spend to establish a new hospital, we can use to expand the facilities of the mission hospital so that it continues to provide service. Unfortunately, under the 111 policy, that has not happened. In many places, there are properly functioning mission churches, but the state has gone to put rival public hospitals, I don't know. I'm in the spirit, so. They are properly functioning hospitals that are managed by the churches, and yet the government has gone to put a rival government hospital, investing a lot of money to build a whole new hospital, when we could have put that money into the existing hospital managed by the churches. And so it creates a duplication of efforts, it's a duplication of application of resources. And so it's something that we need to look at. And my thinking is that we must forge a new partnership in the health system in respect of the public hospitals and the church-run hospitals.
The masses, there is too much pain and suffering in this country. All our doctors and our nurses are leaving this country. And we just pray that things will be well handled and managed in transparency and fairness, that we will not end up being refugees in any other country, because without proper fairness and honesty and transparency, things may fall out of hand. And may I say this, that nobody should think that the Ghanaian is a very gentle, don't like trouble human being. It's not true, because I saw what happened 79 and 81, and they were Ghanaians. And some of the violence and the murderers and unrest in certain parts of this country, like what's going on in Boko and other places, they are all Ghanaians. And if we don't manage things well, and we have this mentality and thinking that any party can do whatever they want to do, and the Ghanaian will accept it, and the Ghanaian will live for it, you might be playing with fire, make no mistake. Because when people are desperate and are hungry, they don't care about what happens. And hungry and desperate people are very dangerous people to manage and to deal with. When demons come into town and possess people, then you will know that maybe you really didn't understand the Ghanaian, because when a demon enters a person, it doesn't care about your tribe or your citizenship. It rules you. So I think that, Mr. Former President, and to your party, we should be very aware of some of these things. I wouldn't want to say much, but I have a lot of questions I want to personally ask, and I believe that all the members of the clergy here have a lot of unanswered questions that we want to put to you to find and to have some answers so that we know how to educate our congregation in going